Hello everyone. Welcome to PLUMB's installation tutorial. In this issue we are talking about PLUMB's dry carbon hood cover kit. Let's take a look. It is composed of the main body, engine guard, and bracket. What about our hood? It is made of pure dry carbon, very sturdy, very high strength, and very light. The engine guard is composed of a dry carbon body and CNC parts. You can look at the metal parts of the engine guard. Fully sculpted, including its badge. This is the relief of the mirror surface that is integrated with the main body. See, it is very bright. A relief factory will have a protective film. The engine guard can be seen through the glass of the main body of the hood. Just use 2 brackets to install it. It is very easy to install. The first thing we assure you is, both the main body and engine guard are dry carbon. We are now working on our own factory. You can take a look at our carbon fiber equipment. Now working. So let's start the installation now. Very easy to install. First remove the original engine cover and hood. Next we install the engine cover. In addition, we first go to install the engine guard bracket on top of the original engine. Then when we install the engine guard, remove a few screws first. The first is this position of the engine. And this position. And here's the screw. After dismantling, install this bracket. Place underneath the decorative plate. The other bracket mounting position is here. There are 2 packages of screws in the package. One pack is for the engine cover. Another package is the bracket screws. We can see this bracket screws. It has this length. There is a particularly long this screw. This screw is installed to this position. Another shorter one is installed in this position. The remaining 2 with spacers. Install here. The bracket has been installed. Then install the engine cover. In this position on the right here, it is having a gap. Then screw on the screws. Next, install the hood. As you can see, we now have this hood installed. All the parts inside the hood are measured with the original car. You can look at the hood spreader bar. All with original car parts. Adjust the gap of the hood after installation. If the gap needs to be adjusted, we need to adjust the 3 screws on this side, including this main stand. There are also 3 screws below. If you have an uneven cover, it is also possible to adjust. Everyone in the adjustment of this latch. The package will come with this accessory. put it in this. Let it latch down a little. After you finish, you can go to the reverse side of the screw to lock it tight. That will do it. Okay, now we are all done with this installation video.